What's up guys, this is Josh here, and in today's video I'm going to walk you step by step on how you can set up your Fiverr freelance account. But before I dive into that information, if you could use extra money in your banking account, be sure that you go on and obliterate that like button. And if you're already not a part of the viewing community here and you're looking for ways that you can save, make money, and you're interested in all things related to your finances, go ahead and click that red subscribe button until it turns gray, and that way you don't miss anything. And also you're in luck today because today I'm giving away free stock with Robinhood. Yes, we're talking about free money. And you can redeem that free stock by clicking the link down in the description box below. Once you link your banking account with Robinhood, you will get free stock. It's really that simple. By being a freelancer, you can run your own business, choose your own clients and the projects. You will have the freedom and the flexibility to control when, where, and how you work. So if you have a skill, a trade, or a talent, you might want to consider a freelance service like Fiverr, because sites like Fiverr, it connects the clients to the freelancers. This is how it works. You post whatever service that you want to offer on the Fiverr platform. Someone that is looking to have a job done will then go to Fiverr and they will search for that service. You then can accept the job or you can decline the job. And after you complete your task or the job, and remember, this is something that you should be good at, you will then keep 80% of those profits. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is go on over to Fiverr and you want to click on Become a Seller. Whenever you click on Become a Seller, you will see a screen like you're looking at right now. And I'm going to scroll down and become a seller. So to sign up, what you want to do is enter in your email address. So I'm going to go on and type mine in, and after all of that, I will be back with you. So after I entered my email address, I clicked continue. I chose a username, chose a password, and that's whenever Fiverr went on and sent me over an email to confirm that it was my email address. And from there, my account was set up. So after my account was set up, I logged back in and I'm clicking on Become a Seller. Now it's saying ready to start selling with Fiverr. Here's the breakdown, and it's just going to run you through learn from successful people how to create your seller profile and also how to publish your first gig. And I'm going to click continue. Actually, this is my first time going through this online with you, so I'm just looking the same way that you would. Okay, so take your time creating your profile. You want to make sure you have a great profile because that's how people will find you. Think about it like this. If you went to the store and it was a crummy store, they could sell great services, but if it was crummy, you would be kind of skeptical to go in there. It's almost like a restaurant. They might have good food, but if you see roaches all over the place, would you really want to eat there? So make sure that you take time to create your profile, linking in anything that you need to. Put your face, because the thing is, people want to see a face. That's how you build that relationship. And also that make sure that you're not having anything on there that's misleading or inaccurate about your identity, soliciting other community members off of Fiverr to work. That's not permissible. And also don't create duplicate accounts. And this is a bit no-no. Do not request payment off of the Fiverr platform. And just heading on over there. So after you just add everything in there, I'm not going to take the time right now to do that. But as you can see, it's very self-explanatory, and they walk you step to step on how you can set up your Fiverr account. When first starting, you have to practice patience. It's not a get-rich-quick thing, and it's going to take some time. But I'm pretty sure that if you take your time, you practice patience, that your future self will thank you. And get this, if you provide great value, people won't mind rewarding you. And a lot of times that is in the form of cash. Click the playlist right over there where I go over in greater detail more ways that you can make money. Subscribe by clicking the icon right here, and I will see you in the next video.